Dr. Lawson, can I give you a quick update on Mrs. Janet Rowe's morning review? She's the 73-year-old on the post-op ortho list. Total hip replacement, day 4.
Yes, go ahead Mihira. I remember she had a few flags yesterday.
Right, her BP's been hovering around 90/56 since early morning, and she felt lightheaded during physio, but she insisted it was just poor sleep. Her HB dropped slightly overnight to 92, though her wound site is clean with no signs of active bleeding. She's also refusing the high-protein supplements, saying they upset her stomach.
Could the lightheadedness be anemia-related, or postural?
Possibly both, but her postural readings were fairly unchanged, and she was already on slow mobilization. What's strange is that she didn't eat anything yesterday apart from a few sips of tea, and this morning she vomited after just a few mouthfuls. No fever or infection markers, but she's definitely dehydrated, her urine's dark and output is low.
Then the nausea might be the culprit behind everything else. Mihira, let's start with antiemetics and adjust fluids. Address that first. Mihira, I completely understand how frightening it must be to experience chest pain right now, but please take a deep breath and know that you are not alone. It is very common to feel discomfort in your chest after surgery, often coming from muscle strain, healing tissues, or even the natural anxiety and stress that follow a major procedure. However, because your health and peace of mind are the top priorities, it is crucial to stay aware of specific symptoms. Deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism are rare complications, but they are serious. If you notice a sudden onset of severe chest pain, unexpected difficulty breathing, coughing up blood, or rapid swelling and tenderness in your legs, these could be signs that require urgent evaluation. While these complications do not happen often, please do not hesitate to seek immediate medical attention if your pain worsens or if any of these troubling symptoms match what you are feeling. Your safety is what matters most, so always trust your instincts and reach out for care right away.